Good morning, students. I am explaining you question number 2 of exercise 9.3. Please keep your cell on mute mode. In A part, figure is given. This is y, this is x, and this is also x. As I have already told you, if two intersecting lines are there, these two angles must be equal because these are vertically opposite angles. So these two lines are intersecting lines. Here also these two lines are intersecting line, and here also these two lines are intersecting lines. If these two lines are intersecting each other, then x must be equal to y. X must be equal to y because these are vertically opposite angles. X is equal to y, it means this x is equal to y and this x is also is equal to y. If you add all the three interior angles of a triangle, you will get 180 degree because of angle sum property. So we will write y plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of angle sum property. Y will become 3y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 degree upon 3, 360. Y is equal to 60 degree. Y की वैल्यू क्या आई? 60 डिग्री. X you already know. Y is equal to X. ये तो लिखा ही हुआ है आपने. X is equal to y, x is equal to y, it means x is also 60 degree, and this is the answer of your A part. Is it okay? Are you understanding? Now I am explaining you B part. First, what will we do? We'll draw the figure given. In B part, figure is like this. This is given y, this is y, and this is x, this is given 30. These three are interior angles of a triangle. It means 30 degree plus y must be equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. It means this 30 will become minus 30 because we are repositioning it, and y will become 2y. It means 2y is equal to 30 minus 180 minus 30, 150 will come. Y is equal to 150 upon 2, that is 75 degree. Now you have to find the value of x. As you know, these two lines are intersecting lines. So x must be equal to y because of vertically opposite angles. So x is equal to how much? 75 degree, क्योंकि y भी 75. Is it okay? Are you understanding? Good. In this way, you have to complete question number 2. If you will find any difficulty, I am always there to help you out. In question number 3, it is written that one of the acute angles of a right triangle is 64. A right triangle is given. Right triangle it means one angle 90 degree का होगा. एक acute angle आपको दिया हुआ है 64 degree. You have to find the other acute angle. We will suppose it x. Let the other acute angle be x. ये x है प्लस 64 डिग्री प्लस दिस इज व्हाट 90 डिग्री. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है तो 90 डिग्री होगा. सम ऑफ ऑल थ्री एंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री बिकॉज ऑफ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सो x इज इक्वल टू 90 में 64 प्लस किया 154. 154 will become minus 154 because we are repositioning it. x is equal to 180 में से 154 गया 26 डिग्री आंसर आया। Therefore, the other acute angle is 26 degree answer. Just go through it. Okay. Now I am explaining you question number 4. In question number 4, it is written that each of the two equal angles of a triangle is twice the third angle. थर्ड एंगल आप सपोज कर लीजिए, लेट द थर्ड एंगल बी एक्स। एक एंगल एक्स है, ट्रायंगल आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज एक्स। दो इक्वल एंगल हैं, वो इसके ट्वाइस हैं, यानी ये 2x होगा और ये भी 2x होगा। Therefore, two equal angles is equal to 2x. Now add all the three angles. It means x plus 2x plus 2x equal angle दो हैं, तो एक 2x है तो दूसरा भी 2x होगा। 180 degree angle sum property you have to write in bracket 2 to 4 or 1 5. 5x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 180 upon 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, 30, 5 6 जा 30. It means एंगल 1 यू सपोज x आपने सपोज किया था, x कितना आया 36 डिग्री। Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal and they are 2x, twice of this angle, it means 2 of 36 degree 72 degree. Is it okay? Just go through the solution of this question. You must be getting it. Now I am explaining you question number 5. In this question also, first what will we do? We'll draw the figure. Figure is given if the vertical angle is twice the measure of base angle of an isosceles triangle. Here we are talking about isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle वो होता है जिसकी दो साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं, साइड्स इक्वल होंगे तो उसके आमने सामने वाले एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे। वर्टिकल एंगल होता है ये ऊपर वाला। वर्टिकल एंगल इज ट्वाइस, जो बेस एंगल है उसका वी विल सपोज इट x, ये भी x हो जाएगा, ये ट्वाइस है इट मींस ये 2x हो जाएगा। नेम द ट्रायंगल ABC. Now suppose let the base angles of an isosceles triangle be x. Now therefore vertical angle कितना हो जाएगा, vertical angle this is twice, it means it will become 2x. Is it okay? सबको प्लस कर दीजिए, x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of angle sum property. Angle sum property states that sum of all three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 2 1 3 and 4, 4x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 180 upon 4, 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16, 45, x is equal to 45 डिग्री। इट मींस बेस एंगल्स क्या हो गए, बेस एंगल आपने कितने सपोज किए थे x, यानी कितना हो गया 45 डिग्री। सिमिलरली वर्टिकल एंगल क्या हो गया, वर्टिकल एंगल क्या था सपोज 2x, इट मींस 2 into 45 degree, 45 to the 90 degree. This is the solution of question number 5. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.